Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DAZN how to watch on TV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. DAZN supports a wide range of smart TVs and streaming hardware like smart TVs. What you need to do is simply connect your TV or device to the internet. Then open the App Store, and once you are inside, simply on the search bar search for DAZN. Then all you gotta do is just simply select the DAZN app and then tap on download to begin the download process. And once downloaded, all you gotta do is log in with your account and you'll be able to do the DAZN features in your TV. So you can also install DAZN on your phone as well and simply hit cast and choose your TV. For devices without Wi-Fi or unsupported TVs, connect your laptop or phone via HDMI. You can also use an Apple Light cable to HDMI for iPhones or iOS users. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. If you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.